About to go get her little waterfall fun. So she's throwing a tantrum. LJ, did you like the waterfall? Did you have fun? You cold right now? Stay right there and wrap up in the blanket. Let mommy videotape daddy. Stay right here, okay? I love you. Mwah. Here goes the kids. Gavin and Cody. Gavin down there in the red shorts, Cody in the white. Lily's about to go in for her first dip in the cold water. And here she goes in. She's going in right now. Stay right there, baby. Babe! Lily's about to take a dip in Kilgore Falls. There she is with Daddy. She's snapping. Snapping. What? Here she goes underneath the water. Underneath the waterfall. Gavin and Cody are having so much fun right now splashing. She ain't trying to do it. She said no. She wanted out. Now she wants back in that stroller. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'll show you. Hold on. Gavin and Cody are having so much fun under the waterfall. What, Audra? Alright, pull the towel up off the floor, get Audra. They went under the waterfall now with Lily. Gavin and Cody are swimming away. Daddy down there waving, but you can't really see him. Now. Here comes Lily and Daddy. What, Audra? She didn't? Did you have fun, Lily? LJ, right here.
Tell mommy you were on waterfall.
Left crying, came back crying. Lily, did you like it?
No. You didn't like it?
No. Go, go, go.
Give me a kiss.